Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Ibrahim Suleiman. I'm 18 years old. I'm going to do the learning objective 4, which is know the structure and the function of the respiratory system, which is over here. I'm going to cover up P6 and M3. So, respiratory system. The respiratory system works with the circulatory system to provide this oxygen to remove the waste products of metabolism. It also helps to regulate pH of the blood. Respiration is the sequence of the events that results in the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the atmosphere and the body cells. So here you got a picture of the lungs and the body, and the branches, the right branches and the left branch over here, and the transit, which is over here. So you got a closer look over here, the branches. So the primary branches over here, which is, and the secondary branches over here. So the first and second, and then you got the rest over here, as you can see. So what is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is responsible for getting oxygen into our body, getting carbon dioxide and other waste products out of our body. All living creatures need oxygen in combination with food to produce energy and movement. Every cell of the body needs oxygen to function. Respiration is the process by which cells receive a constant supply of oxygen and carbon dioxide is removed. The function of the respiratory system. The aim of the respiratory system is to carry oxygen and carry oxygen to the blood stream, carry carbon dioxide out of the blood stream. So what is diffusion then? So that is gases that move through our process called diffusion. Gas moves from high concentration to a low concentration. There are two different types of diffusion. Diffusion of oxygen into the bloodstream, diffusion of carbon dioxide out of the bloodstream. Diffusion of oxygen. The air we breathe in arrives in the alveoli. The oxygen in the alveoli travels into the blood in the arteries through the capillaries. The oxygen moves into the bloodstream because of low oxygen concentration in the blood. The oxygen is being carried by the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Diffusion of carbon dioxide. Blood arrives back in capillaries of the lungs with a high concentration of carbon dioxide. The air in the alveoli has a low concentration carbon dioxide. According to the principles of diffusion, the carbon dioxide moves across the wall of the capillaries into alveoli so that it can be expired. The respiratory system is designed to deliver oxygen to the cells of the body via the bloodstream, so it combines with the cardiovascular system to achieve its main function. The blood takes the oxygen to cell mitochondria and combines with carbohydrates and fats to help produce energy, such as muscular concentrations. At the same time, carbon dioxide and water are produced as waste products and need to be taken away. Again, the respiratory system combines with the cardiovascular system to remove these so that they can be excreted. Through the process of diffusion in the alveoli. During exercise, there is an increase in metabolism, and therefore the amount of CO2 increases in the blood. This makes the blood much more acidic. The chemoreceptors in the veins detect this and inform the brain to speed up the rate of breathing to remove the CO2. The respiratory system has to combine the following process in order to successfully achieve its function of delivering oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. So the mechanism of breathing. Breathing in. So you got the chest expands over here, so which are connected to the ribs, And then below there you got the diaphragm contracts, so it's over there. And chest contracts, with the breathing out, the chest contracts. So you got the lung over here, inside there, and then covered up by the by the ribs. Diaphragm, and the diaphragm relaxes. So breathing in, it contracts, and then when you breathe out, it relaxes. So the mechanisms of breathing. Breathing is regulated by the respiratory center located in the brain. Receptors in the air passages and lungs. Breathing in is known as inspiration. Breathing out is known as expiration. To breathe, the thoracic cavity must increase and then decrease in size. The process of inspiration. So the breathing in, chest expands, which is here, and then the ribs, diaphragm contracts. So, and the breathing out, chest contracts, the lungs over there, diaphragm relaxes, as I said. Move on. So the lung volumes. The lung volumes refers to physical differences, lung volume, while lung capacity represents different combinations of lung volumes, usually in relation to inhalation and exhalation. The average pair of human lungs can hold about 6 liters of air, but only a small amount of this capacity is used during normal breathing. Tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, residual volume, vital capacity, total lung capacity. So the control of breathing. The neutral system involves neurons, cells that conduct impulses. They are located in parts of the brainstem called the reticular formation and the pons. The neurons are critical in respiration. For example, the ventral respiratory group controls the rhythm of breathing. Chemical control. There are chemical factors that control the rate of breathing. This is due to the chemoreceptors that are located in the aortic arch and carotid arteries. They detect the changing levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the bloodstream and notify the brain to regulate breathing accordingly. And this was my presentation. Thank you for listening.